Hello guys, I want to show you guys how to set up your voice changer device. So this is the voice changer device. So I'm going to show you guys how to set it up. Okay, so here is it. This is how it came. So this is for your phone if you are using phone that has type C. So here is the device. You can see this is how the device comes. So these are some of the cables. So this one and this one is the mic that you'll be using to talk. Understand? So this one is the charger. So as you can see, here are some of the things that it comes with. So now I want to show you guys how to literally use this. Here is the earpiece. This is the earpiece. So I'm going to lose it, okay, so that you guys will see how everything works. Okay, so here is the earpiece. So you have to lose the earpiece. Okay, so here is the device. As you can see, here is the device. So here is the earpiece, is very long. So now I'm going to start plugging it. I'm going to show you guys how to plug everything. So you have to first put one of the earpiece in your ear. After doing that, then you have to plug it. So you have to plug this. So you can see from here, right side the power button, you can plug the earpiece. Okay, right side the power button. See, here's the power button. So then the mic, when you come right here, you can see headset, right side the power button. There is for music. Here is for music. Okay, yeah, this one is for live. So here the right mic is where you put in your mic. Okay, so you have to put on where the right mic. After doing that, so you can see we are all set now. Understand? So we can decide to turn it on from here. Long press, it comes on. So from here, if you want to connect it to your phone, you have to just bring this one, then plug it right here. Once you plug it, if your phone is type C, you can easily plug this one. Use this to plug it. When you plug it, then you bring your phone and plug it to your phone. Okay, once you plug it to your phone, you can easily use it. So you can see it comes on. So now if you want to, let's say you want to enable the light, you press right here. Here's the light. As you can see, you can change the color also. So now let me get to the voice changing part. Okay, so I'll have to put in, let's say I have to put in right side my mic. So right now you have to change the mode right from here. You can see the mode. So from here now, you can easily change the mode of this. So here is normal, here is DJ, here is rap, here is studio, here is vlog, as you can see. So we have to switch it to normal if you want to use it to make call. And then when it comes right here, you have to choose whether you want it to be baby voice, youth voice, male voice, or king voice. So now if you are using it as a baby, you have to switch here. If you're using it as youth, you have to switch here. Understand? Then here is where it comes to the female part, male and female. So here is the female part. You have to choose lolly, youth, or female. So here is female. Understand? So from here now, you will discover that once I start talking now, let me show you guys what I'm talking about now. Okay, you can hear the sound right here, as you can see. So let me switch to normal. You can see this one is baby. You see, from here you can decide to increase the volume of the mic. From here I decide to, here's the volume of your earphone. Okay, I decide to reduce it. You can decide to increase it. You see, you can decide to reduce it, you can decide to increase it. So here is the light. Here's the light. Then here is the fine tuning. Here is where you will tune your voice. Okay, let me show you guys for example. Okay, let's increase this. Then we'll switch to female. This one is vlog, but if you want to use it to make call, just use normal. You can see how normal can sound, right? This is for male female to male. Hello. We're going to be testing from male to female. So I want to show you guys how it properly sounds before you purchase it, okay? So now let's switch on LOL. This is lowly. We are still on lowly. Hello, how are you doing? Let's switch to youth. Hello, how are you doing? I hope you are doing good. Then let's switch to female. Hello, how are you doing? I hope you are doing good. What's your name? Let's switch to winch. Winch. Hello, how are you doing? I hope you are doing good. So now let's switch to female to male. Baby, how are you doing? What's your name? Then let's switch to youth. How are you doing? What's your name? Let's switch to normal male. How are you doing? What's your name? Let's switch to king. This is king. Let me switch to king. How are you doing? I hope you are doing good. So the same thing with female. Female sounds well, and also male sounds much better. Understand? So you can easily use this both WhatsApp call, video call, and other stuff. So this is it. So I believe I've shown you guys. You can decide to test the male. This is the normal voice, male and female voice. Okay, how are you doing? Hello, how are you doing? I hope you can hear me much better. So that's it. I hope you guys find this video very helpful and informative. So this one is for your music if you are doing DJ work. Same thing with this one, but if you are using this one mainly for calls, you don't need all these ones. Understand? So let me show you guys. So you can see this is how you will be using it if you are making call with it. Okay, you have to just plug it like this. Your earpiece will be right here, then this one goes to your phone. Okay, you can see. So from here you can easily use it to make calls, you can easily use it to do DJ, you can easily use it to stream. Understand? So this is how it works. Okay, this is for voice changing. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and informative, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.